Hello and welcome back to Mr. Seal. Today I'm gonna teach you how to make the spiral. So let's begin. First of all, we will need to create a new plane from the top plane. That will be offset by 10 inches. Here we go. Now we will create two sketches. First of them will be the base of the part that we're going to use the loft for, and let's give it 8 inches. Great. Now let's do it to the top plane. Let's make this 4. Great. Now we will use the loft tool and it will be a surface. So let's select the bottom and the top surfaces. Great. Now we can go here and click on the helix. Select a surface and adjust it to our liking. Click OK. Great. Now we actually need to make our spring. So click on the surface, click sketch, and here we will need to bring outside geometry of this point. So use this tool to click and bring the point. Great. Now what we can do, we can use the circle tool at this center and make a circle and give it a diameter of whatever is needed. In our case it will be 1 inch. Click OK. Click on the sketch, click on the sweep button. It will be new. Our sketch is already selected. Click on the sweep, select the path. Click OK. Here we go. After hiding the surface and extra planes, we have our spring of conical shape. Thank you and have a great day. Don't forget to subscribe.